Streamers are making over $100,000 in hours of streaming on pump.fun, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do the same. Now, you've heard of Twitch, Kick, maybe Rumble, and YouTube live streaming, which takes months, maybe even years to grind up, but on pump.fun you get paid per second per coin that comes into your wallet. Now, everything changed back on September 2nd, about 2 weeks ago, when pump.fun announced Project Ascend. So this is going to be 10 times more creator earnings via what they call dynamic fees, as well as 10 times faster processing of CTO creator fee applications. Now, they talk about how creator and communities have used these fees as a tool of marketing, and it hasn't been perfect. They know running a startup, there's tons of expensive things that need to go into marketing, and these current creator fees haven't been moving the needle, thus bringing in dynamic fees V1. So now creating on pump.fun, there's going to be 10 times more rewards, meaning we will see an exponential increase in talent onboarded to pump.fun, basically saying this ecosystem is about to explode. So today I'm going to go over how to launch your coin, how to live stream once your coin is launched, and go over some of the creator fees so you can hit those targets for your audience. Stick around because later in the video, I'm going to be deploying my own coin and going live for this video tutorial. So you guys have probably seen a lot of the hype. Bagwork has made over $160,000 in a few days. Kindness Kind pulled in $140,000, and he's donating as we're speaking. And Buncoin has also hit 152K in one day. Now, this isn't clickbait. These are real wallets. You can track this all, and it's all happening because of these live streams. This is a bit of a new meta shift, and I'm on board for it. It seems like it's more than PvP. It's now PvE. You find something that can go viral, someone that has gone live early, and invest in that kind of attention. Now, tokens like this are now using the creator's fees that he has earned, and we can check that from the dev wallet here into tokens, almost $185,000, and this is how he is able to donate. So he is on stream donating to all these smaller streamers, which all in turn brings the market cap back up. Right now we're seeing a bit of a retrace, but what a token this guy has had. So what is pump.fun's live feature? Well, let's go over it. Here's the meta. You launch a coin, you go live, people then trade your coin, and every trade pays you. It's not subs, it's not ads, it's just pure trading volume. And here's the kicker, there's no grind, no gatekeeping. Your live stream goes right to the trending page on pump.fun, where there are tons of traders looking for this new meta. So step one of this process is to create the coin. Now, wherever you're keeping your Solana, whether this be in Coinbase or Binance, whichever exchange you're using, you're going to want to create a pump.fun account, get the app on your phone, and send in some Solana to one of these addresses. Next, you then pick the name of the coin, the ticker, give it a description. You can add a image or video, add your socials, and then hit create. When your coin is on the bonding curve, the fees are fixed. So the creator fee is 0.3%, the protocol fee is 0.95%, and so the total is 1.25% per trade. Next, let's get the live stream set up. You can either do this on your computer, and if you know live streaming, I'm sure you know OBS, but it gets even simpler than that. You can open it on your phone and just click the camera button to go live. Now, I do suggest you do have a strong internet connection because buyers do not like laggy live streams. Now let's talk about some fun growth hacks that can help you guys get to that next level, increase that market cap, and get more eyes into your live stream. So the coin name basically equals your content. You're going to want to ride the wave of memes, trending topics, or potentially inside jokes. If you have the live buying on screen, nothing hypes people up like seeing this bought and sold, especially in these live streams. Of course, giveaways work, and we've already seen this in quite a few of these live streams. People are searching for clips that can go viral on other platforms and then lead everything back to these same coins. You can also add a community spin like kindness did. This helps it go viral and hopefully push if you're doing the right thing. Now I want to talk about timing and opportunity here. This is brand new. There were only a couple hundred streamers last month, and now there are over 1,000. Like every meta, it will get saturated, so early adopters will win. So if you're wanting to try this out, the time is now. So here's the simple playbook for you guys to follow in order to collect those live stream fees. Launch your coin, go live with your coin, start sharing your official links, and get on pump.fun's trending board. That's basically it. Streamers are now making more than any other platform, and pump.fun is the leader. If this video helped, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel. I also have a private Discord group where we trade tokens like this all day, every day, so make sure to check that out. Until next time, take care.